In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Rumble. So this is very simple. All you do is once you're in your Rumble account, you click up here on this green camera plus icon, and then click on Upload Video. And once you've clicked here, as you can see, you first have to select a video to upload. You can either drag or drop it in here, or just click here and select a file from your computer. As you can see, I've downloaded a free stock video from Pexels for this instance. You put it in here and it starts uploading, and then you have to put in your video title. Now let's call this one a cinematic view of the forest, and then you have to add your video description, so you type in whatever you want to. This is a drone shot of a forest, for example, and then you have to put in your category. So category over here would be, let's see, it's probably travel for me. And then the secondary category is probably something now from the list. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of categories. Is there anything surrounding nature? Let's see. Let's say natural phenomena. Okay, it's not truly that, but it doesn't matter. Then you can select your video thumbnail over here. As you can see, those three that it offered already are pretty much the same, but you can also choose your own thumbnail whenever you want to. I'm gonna use this one for this example, and then you can put in your tags. Now, tags can be used the same way as they are on YouTube or any other platform. You just type in hashtag nature, hashtag forest, hashtag, let's say, green, hashtag drone shot, and so on and so forth. And then you can change the visibility of the video. So it can be public, so anyone can watch it, unlisted, so only people with the link can watch this video, or private, where only you can see this video. And you can also schedule the video and select a date to make your video public. I'm gonna put it as public for this instance, and then all you do is click on upload. And then, as you can see over here, you have different licensing options. Now it's the video management, excluding YouTube, and exclusive, Rumble only, and personal use. The best way is to put it on Rumble only, which I'm going to do right now. So this is similar to YouTube as it says, and it's not exclusive. And then you can put in additional video information, so who recorded it and who appeared in this video, which I'm not going to do right now, and where and when this video was recorded, which I'm not going to do either, and then provide either your YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat username, which I'm not going to do at this very moment. Then you have to agree to terms and conditions, so you have not signed an exclusive agreement with any other parties. And you also have to check here if you agree to their terms of service, okay, which you also have to read before clicking it, of course, by clicking on this green text over here. And then once you've done that, you click on submit. And once you've clicked on submit, as you can see, your video upload was complete. Now, the way you can see your videos that you uploaded, you have to go to your content. So click up here and press on my content. And as you can see, this video I've just uploaded, the cinematic view of the forest, is over here. Now it says ready to share and monetization pending, and this is going to update in a few hours or a few minutes in some cases. It depends on how fast their servers are working. And yeah, that's pretty much how you post a video on Rumble.